I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mom.
Good morning, YouTube.
Good morning.
Good. We are in this second day in the shelter, and it is raining already outside and windy because I went outside with my dog Nieve to walk him. He pooped a lot.
He did?
He did a lot.
I left because it was raining.
Yeah, but he did. He kept walking and pooping at the same time. Yeah. Good morning. All right. We're gonna go make the line for coffee.
No,
Or
coffee line or breakfast?
Okay, breakfast. I call coffee breakfast. But I'm outside the shelter, and you hear wind is because of that. Like the wind and the rain is picking up already. Right now the hurricane is in the Keys, but it looks like it's coming straight for us. Like it's gonna enter from Cape Coral, to Fort Myers where we are. I'm outside the shelter right now. Some people in here picky about recording, I don't know. Well, but this is a update about it. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, leave a message. Maybe I can read it. This is for now one of the videos. This is, I don't know if these cars fly away. Our car is like in that direction over there. Yep. That's it for now. I'm gonna try to upload this because right now that we have Wi-Fi. Bye.